You too. It's your boy Cash coming at y'all with another video. So yo, it's about a week or two ago, your boy went back to his hometown, went to New York, you know what I'm saying? And of course I had to bring my 360 Wave products with me, you feel me? And so I ended up throwing my brushes and all my products and stuff inside a Ziploc bag and put that inside the suitcase and shot it to New York. Now, I wish I would have had this product prior to leaving to go to New York, you know what I'm saying? It would definitely would have been a little bit more classy. But by the thumbnail, you already know what the product is, you know what I'm saying? So we gonna go ahead and crack this bad boy open. Y'all ain't gonna wanna miss this. Stay tuned. So yo, I already cut it open. All right, so we just gonna go ahead and pull it out and just jump straight into it. All right, so they sent me the gray one. They sent me the gray bag. All right, comes in a little plastic bag like this. All right, so we gonna go ahead and open it up. Ooh, I like when things got that new smell, you feel me? All right, so the color that we got here is gray. All right, this is by Dream Tsu. So y'all can see it. Dream Tsu. Yeah. Alright. So on the back of this, it says Wave Accessory Bag designed by Dream Tsu, leader of innovators of wave bags, season 1 collection. So yo, so this is season 1. Alright, so that means they got a season 2 coming out. They probably gonna come up with a whole nother style or whatever the case for bags. Alright. But they sent me this gray one right here. So let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, so this is the bag. Alright. This is one side that says Dream Tsu. All right, the front with the little handle right here, so you can carry the bag. You can carry the bag right there. All right. The other side, that's what I just read to y'all right there. Okay. In the back. All right. And then, so this is zipper. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so this is the bag. The bag is kind of deep. The bag is kind of deep, as y'all can see. You know what I'm saying? Now, when it comes to this bag, all right, they have several colors, all right? They got them in blue. They got it in gray, as you can see. And they also have it in maroon, and they have them in teal. Now, the maroon and the teal one actually have zippers, have another pocket right here on the side, all right? So you can look at the zipper. I'm kind of mad because I wish they would have sent me one. He didn't ask me the color. I got this for free, and I appreciate it. I got the bag for free, and I appreciate that. But had he asked me which one I wanted, initially, after I received this one, I told him, I was like, damn, I wish you would have sent me the blue one. You know what I'm saying? But when I went up on the site, and I seen that the other two bags that they got up there right now have another pocket on the side with a zipper, I was like, man, I wish I would have got one of those, you know what I'm saying? But it's all good. He said he might send me the blue one, but the blue one is just like this, and now I really don't want it. I want one of the ones with the zipper. But anyway, off of that. A lot of y'all don't know, your boy, about a week or two ago, I went to my hometown, New York, you know what I'm saying? And when I traveled into New York, I had to bring my 360 Wave products with me, you feel me? So I had my brushes, I had a medium, a soft, and a hard brush. I brought my butter, I brought my pomade, which my Murray's, and I brought an oil with me. Had I had this Dream Tsu Wave bag, I wouldn't need the Ziploc bag, you feel what I'm saying? But at the time when I went to New York, I didn't have this bag yet, or maybe I did, I just didn't want to use it yet, because I did the video, all right? And you can find these bags on Amazon. They're like $17, all right? Keep in mind, you do also gotta pay shipping unless you purchase something over $25, then the shipping will be free for you. You can also go on the site, dreamtsu.com, and you can get the bags. On the site, the bags are $25. I don't know if shipping is included with that price, but on the site, I seen them for $25, and on Amazon, I seen them for $17. But like I said, with Amazon, you have to look. You also have to pay for the shipping cost, all right? So it might end up being the same thing or whatever. Now, some might ask, what's the purpose of this wave bag, all right? Now, the purpose of this wave bag is to store your brushes. You can put your do-rags in it. You can put all your wave products in it. Whatever you got, anything that's wavy, your 360 Wave kit, if you traveling and you going out of town, you want to have this bag, all right? Because this bag is going to allow you to store your brushes, all your products, everything inside this bag. All right, so now, since I got the bag and I don't gotta use a Ziploc bag no more to store my stuff in when I'm traveling, we gonna see how many products we can put in this bag. All right, so the first thing, you know, up top that I gotta put inside my bag is my brushes. You feel what I'm saying? So I always gotta have me a soft, a medium, and a hard. So let's get ahead and try to throw at least 3 brushes up in this thing. Hard brush, medium brush, soft brush, oil, curl enhancer, Murray's, comb, the laid down G, to smooth them waves out. Thing we gonna do, we're gonna zip it up. Got all my wave products in this bag. So yo, everything did fit inside this wave bag, you feel what I'm saying? So I got all my products, I got all my brushes. The only thing I didn't put in here was a do-rag. So let me get the do-rag. All right, so now that I got all my products put in here, the last thing that I need to put in here is my do-rags, you feel what I'm saying? So grab me a couple of do-rags, you know what I'm saying? You might be out of town on vacation or something, may need to switch it up. You might wear one in the pool, you feel me? If you're working out, you might use one to work out, sweat it out, you need a back. So I'm gonna put probably about 3 do-rags in here. I think 3 do-rags should be enough do-rags to get me through that vacation or that travel, you feel me? So let's grab it. So I got a black do-rag right here, so we're gonna go ahead and throw that in there. All right, so then I got the camo do-rag, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw that one in the bag. Throw this black and duo do-rag in here. All right, so those are my 3 do-rags. I'm gonna zip it up. And there we go. So this bag will definitely hold all your 360 wave products, you know what I'm saying? So if I was y'all, I would get this bag. It's a good thing to have. Or 1, you can keep it in the crib and you could just store your brushes inside of it. 2, you can put all your 360 wave products in it. Or you can put all your do-rags in it. Now, what I currently do with my do-rags right now, let me show y'all. So if you got more than one of these bags, you know what I'm saying? You got one bag for your brushes, you can have another bag for your do-rags. Currently, I got all my do-rags in this Finish Line bag right here that I have for year. All my do-rags, just do-rags, all right? But I got them all in this Finish Line bag. So I like being organized, neat, and structured anyway. So I can sit up there, take these do-rags, fold them up nice, you know what I'm saying? And get ahead and I get rid of this plastic bag that I've been holding on to for years. And I can get ahead and put on my do-rags inside this, you know what I'm saying? So this is good for storing your do-rags. It's good for storing your brushes or any of your wave products. Now, just to show, I want to show y'all all of the products. That I got inside this bag, so y'all know that I got everything in here, okay? All right, so I got the bag open. All right, so let's start pulling the products out. 1 do-rag, 2 do-rags, all right, 3 do-rags, lay down G, Murray's, oil, curl enhancer, soft brush, medium brush, black brush, last but not least, comb. That's the whole bag, all right? So that's the whole bag. So like I said, whether you're traveling or if you just want to use it for storage in the crib, you know what I'm saying? The wave bag is definitely recommended. You definitely need to go ahead and cop this bag, you know what I'm saying? And that way you can store your do-rags or you can use it to travel. Yo, if you like this video, make sure you drop me a like, leave me a comment. And if you're not a subscriber, man, get ahead and subscribe. It's your boy Cash. Peace.